Hello. I really like that I can see chickens from my bed when they come. Here's the other day I was eating chicken and I looked up and I saw a chicken looking this way. It was very weird. I've not really made any videos recently. I've not been well, but I should make more videos, I think, even short ones. Oh, hello, chicken. I should make little ones. I've changed tablets recently. They feel very... I thought I was feeling better after, but I don't know what's happening. I've been measuring my O2 sats and stuff. And, they're not normal, but I don't have a really high heart rate, so I think maybe they might be normal for someone who's laying here and this unwell. I'm not sure about when the doctor will call Gary again and sort something out, but I think it will be soon. Because the doctor found a high blood pressure, which is, I never had that before when I've always had 120/80 blood pressure before. So hopefully that was just different by accident. Okay, love you, and I hope you like the chicken. Bye. Oh, the chicken says bye too. Chicken.